Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on July movie, and we have
Allu Arjun sir.
right.
How can you forget about Allu Arjun sir is his
Actually,
favorite.
I was looking the name in that title, but name was not there in title.
Okay,
And
he
also-
only before starting of the video, he only was telling that Allu Arjun sir, I really miss Allu Arjun sir's video. Let's do
Yes.
Allu Arjun sir's video.
And also,
This
I
is-
have seen this movie, particularly this in, movie
he
in
has
Hindi,
seen.
and in Hindi dubbed it was a Dangerous Khiladi.
Dangerous Khiladi.
Yes.
You told me several times
Right.
that thing. You are the true fan. Okay. So yes, this is a very comedy, kind of scene. So let's get started. This is a Telugu, I think.
Yes.
Right. So yeah, let's get started. And before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow, nice house. His face only.
ఇన్నేళ్ల సర్వీస్ లో
పూజ.
దీన్ని ఒక్కసారి కూడా వాడే అవసరం రాలేదు. నువ్వు అలా కరుణించావు. అయినా నువ్వు తలుచుకుంటే
In his
ఇవన్నీ
full service, he has never used that gun.
Oh.
ఏయ్,
Gone. Bell.
సార్ ఆ గంట అక్కడ పెట్టేయి.
He is the thief.
Brahmanand.
మీకెలా తెలుసు సార్? అది గంటరా, నడుస్తుంటే సౌండ్ రావట్లా?
He has stolen that bell.
గంట కొట్టాలంటే ఇలా, కొట్టేయాలంటే ఇలా.
Saying, how do you know that I have stolen?
దొంగోడైనట్టయితే ఎవ్వరికి దొరికేవాడు కాదు సార్. ఉంటాను సార్.
స్టేషన్కి ఎవరినో తీసుకురావడానికి వెళ్ళాలన్నారు.
అబ్బో 8:30కి ట్రైన్, బోల్డ్ అంత టైం ఉంది. ఈలోగా నేను టిఫిన్ కూడా చేసేది. కామన్ బాత్రూమ్ ఎక్కడ ఉందండి?
అటు
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
What is that?
Actually, he was about to go to a station to pick him,
Oh.
but he told still we have time. But watch was not working.
8:45. అమ్మో, నేను రైల్వే స్టేషన్కి వెళ్ళాలి. అక్కర్లేదు, అక్కడి నుంచే వస్తున్నాను. రవీంద్ర నారాయణ్? అవును. సీతారామ ఐపీఎస్ తెలుసు. నేను రాజమాణిక్యం చెప్పారు. ఈ అడ్రస్ కనుక్కున్నారు.
కాఫీ
తాగుతాను తర్వాత. ఇతను రవి, యావరేజ్ గా ఉన్నాడు. లోపలికి వెళ్ళి మాట్లాడు, వైరు దిగిపోతుంది.
నాన్న డోంట్ ఎంబారస్ మీ.
మా పెద్దమ్మాయి. అవును సార్ తెలుసు. చూడకు, దానికి ఆల్రెడీ పెళ్లి సంబంధం చూశాను. కుర్రాడు పైలట్. కావాలంటే వాడితో నీ ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు తెలుసు.
He's saying that he's already engaged,
మా ఆవిడ లలిత.
and his son-in-law will be pilot.
నేహ సిగ్గుతో బయటకు రాలేదే, అది ఊహ. నిహాల్.
ఓ మొత్తం ఇది ఫ్యామిలీ అన్నమాట.
వాడు
దొంగ.
He's chore.
నీకెలా తెలుసు?
వాసన వస్తుంది. నా సింటి కొట్లు కొడిచాను.
He has stolen perfume.
సారీ. వాడు ఎక్స్ దొంగ. ఎక్కడ దొంగతనం చేసినా నిమిషంలో దొరికిపోవడం వాడి స్పెషాలిటీ.
Once he tried to stole this chain.
సారీ అండి, మీ గొలుసు నా చేతికి తగిలింది. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ సారీ యూనో.
అరే లూజ్ లాల్చి, ఆ లుక్ ఏంట్రా?
ఆ బ్యాగ్ తీసి కింద పెట్టు, కింద పెట్టు.
జిప్పు తీరా జఫా.
Karate. इसका हो गया. भागेगा.
He's unsuccessful thief.
ఎవడో ఉద్యోగం ఇవ్వకపోతే నేనే తెచ్చి పెట్టుకున్నా. హాయ్.
ఏయ్, ఇదెవరు?
చెప్పాను కదా మా రెండో అమ్మాయిని.
ఓ వయసు ఎంత?
8 years 2003 born.
ఏంటి అప్పటికి ఇంకా పని చేస్తున్నారా?
ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావా లేడీస్ ముందు?
ఏంటి బావ అందరూ హాల్లో ఉన్నారు?
బెడ్రూమ్ ఖాళీ లేక?
ఊరుకో బావా.
లేకపోతే అలా క్రిమినల్స్ ఇంటికి తీసుకురాతా నీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాను?
అదే స్టేషన్కి వెళ్తుంటే జీప్ ఆగిపోయింది, నువ్వు లిఫ్ట్ ఇస్తావేమో అని.
బాగున్నారా అన్నయ్య గారు? కాఫీ తాగుతావా అయ్యా?
బిర్యానీ బట్టరావే, ఎవరికి మర్యాద చేయాలో కూడా తెలియదు.
కాఫీ అడిగినా తప్ప
ఏంటి బావా కేసు?
కమిషనర్ గారు ఇంట్లో
Some
ట్రాఫిక్ బిల్
DCP
కొట్టేయండి
or
బావా.
something.
నేను అటు నుంచి ఎంత కొట్టినా ఎక్కడ దాచాడో చెప్పట్లేదు.
ఏంటి నీకు కూడా? ఎవరు సార్ వీరు? వాల్మీకని పెద్ద సిఐ, ఇంట్రాగేషన్ స్పెషలిస్ట్. బై బై.
He's praising him and he's
కరోడాల చేత కూడా
blushing.
Yeah, yeah.
మెచ్చించగలరు.
ఊరుకో బావా, మన గురించి మనం చెప్పుకోకూడదు.
అలాంటి నీకు కూడా వీడు ఏమీ చెప్పలేదంటే
అదే అర్థం కావట్లేదు బావా. బెల్ట్లు, చైన్లు, లాఠీలు, ఆఖరికి సూదులు, పినీసులు కూడా వాడేశాను.
Oh my
But that he is not speaking anyway. I tried everything.
కొట్టేమన్నారు సార్.
Now he spoke.
చేస్తుంటారు కానీ
దీన్ని ట్రై చేశాను.
He told pain has a lot of power.
Oh God.
కొంచెం
I'm
పువ్వు
still in shock.
మరీ వైలెంట్ గా ఉన్నాడు.
Okay. It's a very small clip, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it start of
funny.
the fun here, and
Yeah, yeah.
there will be a lot of the funny
Lot of the fun
scenes in this
will
movie,
be there,
and
yeah.
also a lot of the action also.
Yeah. So if you like to see more such, this kind of comedy scenes, because this movie is having a lot of comedy
Yes,
scenes. We already,
comedy and
saw
action.
comedy action. So definitely
Yes.
let us know what we will be doing. I know this is a very small clip, and this is funny, not hell, very funny. It is
Yes.
not like that, but funny only.
Right.
I really like the scene that the person was like dumb.
Brahmananda.
He was not telling anything, but he was like hitting the pain, and he started talking. My God, it was.
Actually, he was not dumb. He didn't speak. They tried to interrogate
they
him,
tried,
and
he didn't
every
speak.
every
Yes,
possible way
understood.
they tried, but he never spoke why he stole something or something. was
Okay,
there.
okay. Now he started. Okay.
So he put the
Pretending to
pen
be,
in,
हाँ.
pen in his hand, and then he told that pen has a lot of power.
And Brahmananda sir is acting also. Everyone
super.
knows he's superb, and yeah, he's a very unsuccessful and bechara kind of thing.
Right.
And nobody, nobody, मतलब कोई भी उसको ये नहीं करता है. सब अपना ताकत दिखा देता है, और वो बेचारा हमेशा unsuccessful रहता है.
Exactly.
We really enjoyed that scene. Okay, it is a very good scene, comedy scene, and yeah, I think people have requested to do more such comedy scenes, because nowadays we are doing more, action scenes and all. So yeah, this video for you
This video,
all.
yes.
Yeah, definitely, I think you'll be enjoying this scene.
Going forward, we'll do more funny
More
scenes
funny
from
scenes.
this particular movie.
July.
There is a lot of funny movie.
Yeah.
Actually, I didn't knew that Telugu name is July.
The Telugu name is July, and Hindi name is Dangerous Khiladi.
Dangerous
na?
Khiladi, yes.
Okay, so yeah, it is a 10 on 10, because Allu Arjun sir's acting was also superb, and that senior person,
The DCP.
the DCP, he's acting also. I think he's a very famous actor.
Yes,
na?
he has
His
done
face is very- he has
lot of the movies,
lot of
and
the movies.
mostly I'm not sure.
Old movies.
I'm not sure in old movie he has done any lead role or not. But we have seen in lot of father, lot of this kind of.
Yeah. I think I have seen him in doing some Maharaja character.
Okay.
A Raja Maharaja kind of character in the kind of like old movies.
Okay.
I don't know his name, unfortunately. You can definitely let us the name of that actor. But he's a very senior and very very talented actor, very good actor actually. So I have, I think, seen his acting in my office. I think in the canteen when I was eating. That time I saw some Raja Maharaja character. Okay.
Maybe there will be that.
And there I was like mesmerized. I was seeing while eating in the office only, but I couldn't understand what is the context. But I really like his acting skill, his way of speaking, and that is a very serious kind of character that was. And this is totally comedy kind of funny kind of character.
In this movie, he's playing as a scary kind of policeman, but
Darpok.
he who has never used his gun in his service life
Okay,
anyway.
okay.
Not even in training also.
Training also. Oh my God.
He's somewhat like that only. Yes.
So definitely we enjoyed this in a lot, and yeah, now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Satish, and he's commenting on Driving License official trailer reaction. He's commenting he's a superstar in this film, that inspector in his diehard fan. But Prithvi wants to get driving license to shoot his recent film car stunt scene. So the clash between these two.
Okay.
Acha, this is the thing
that is the
actually.
thing.
Because I told you that he's a very simple kind of normal person who is having some that kind of crush on that film star. Prithviraj is the superstar,
Right. I
and
think
then
he
the clash will be begin.
didn't anything means he doesn't have any license or something, but he don't want to give any trial or something. Might be like that only. He just wanted the license without any giving trial.
Yeah, okay, understood.
Maybe it will be like that also.
So we were partially correct.
Yes.
That's mostly correct, but this, particularly he wants to use this driving license in his scene, in his, film, I think. Car stunt. That we couldn't understand, but yeah, the topic was like that only. Yes, that is a very unique kind of topic, right? We really enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you so much for the information and for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Guru Nathan, and he is writing his comment on before marriage versus after marriage from Mike Set.
Yeah.
And he's saying after 6 minute voice and visual mismatch, bro, you enjoy.
Yeah.
Nice reaction.
Yes,
so
you are right.
sorry for
Sorry.
that. It was mismatch during editing time while
It is
watching.
my mistake actually. I was editing actually. I completely forgot. There was some ads
Right.
started
while,
coming.
while giving a reaction,
Yeah.
there some ad was in between, so
Yeah.
that ad was around
Some
30
second, 30 seconds or 40
of
seconds.
ad was there. So
yes. So we
while
have to cut
editing,
that.
while editing, you see particularly miss that part.
Me only. I'm very sorry actually, and yes, we'll be like doing that in future. Like we'll be taking care of that thing. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. For your support. Instead of that also, I was like, oh my god, people will scold us like anything. But yeah, you guys are so good, so polite that you didn't speak like that much.
Yes.
That yeah, why did you do that and all? I know it is a kind of like irritating, but yeah, I will take care
Sorry
of that.
for
We'll,
that.
we'll take care of that. Yeah,
Yes.
sorry. So the third comment for today's video is from Srirag AS, and he's commenting, please react to Mohanlal sir's entry in Indian Awards 2018.
Okay.
Acha, that kind of video is there. Okay,
yes.
some awards, right?
Right.
So yes, Mohanlal sir.
Of course, the multi-talented and superstar.
Mohanlal sir. Okay,
Yes.
so yes, that will be our honor. That will be giving our reaction on that entry scene, and yes, we'll be definitely doing. You have to search that which award, Indian award.
Indian Award 2018.
Okay,
something
we have
will
to
be
search
there.
that. I think we'll be getting that.
Yes.
Thing, right? So yes, definitely we'll be doing, and thank you so much for the suggestion and for commenting on our video.
Yes.
So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.